All right, my friends and Safa water drinkers, here we are in close to Atlanta, Georgia, Nature's Own herb shop. We're gonna go inside. Here we are inside. See, a nice little herb shop with a lot of great selections. And if you can see in the back, there's our machine back there. Let's look at some of their products. As we move around the back here, you can see our Safa water vending machine, serving 3 types of water: RO, alkaline mineral, and our medical grade water, alkaline ionized. So if you're close to the Atlanta area, Nature's Own.